Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Uncle P from Super Easy Forex, and as you can see, let me move my head out the way so you can see the charts. This is a trade, and I actually sent out a signal where we made some money originally on this trade earlier in the week, about 100 pips or so. But as I always tell them, when you see triple arrows on the higher time frames, you can always tend to hold it a little bit longer, okay? A little bit longer, and it's the H4. And you see triple arrows was here, but we seen it earlier on the H1, so we took what we was offered. But I held a couple of positions on there, and you can see if I would have held all of my positions, I probably would have had 800 pips. But either way it goes, you can see this is a live trade. You can check your charts right now. Today is March 26, 2020. And it is the Asian session, and so that means that it's 8:30 Central Standard Time, 9:30 Eastern PM. So please check your charts, even if you're seeing this video a month from now, 1 year from now. I'm telling you the exact date and the exact time so that you can actually see that this is real, okay? All right. So, again, check your charts. But as you can see, currently 480 something pips on this one, close to 500 pips. Let me go to another one here, and this is the Swiss, and let me refresh it so you can see. There you go, it popped in. This is the Swiss JPY, and let me go to the time frame that I saw the setup on. Give me a second. All right, triple arrows there on the 30 and triple arrows there on the 1 hour. So as you can see, here's my target, and it's almost approaching my target. So 489 pips, just say 500, but say 490 plus another 100, that's 590 plus 20, that's 610. Okay, but we're not done. And then let's go to this one, which is the Euro JPY. I sent this signal out to the signals group as last night, and it took a little while to play out, but as you can see, here's another 257 pips on this one right here. So you can see that we're still waiting for it to hit target, but it's looking pretty good. And so let's check it on the H4. And it's not triple arrows on the H4, but you can see where it's going. But on the H1 is where I found it and sent the signal out to the group last night. So again, I'm showing proof that the triple arrows work. Let me go to one where I also sent out a signal to the group. We already had cashed out, but I decided to hang on to it a little bit longer. And here, let's take a look at this one. This is the Euro Mexican Peso, and as you can see, it paid off extremely well. Look at there. The Euro Mexican Peso, I've already locked in profit on it, already closed out some positions, and decided to let this one run. So with this being said, we're well over, with just these few trades here, we're well over, what, 700 pips, 600 or 700 pips, something like that. I don't know. You can do the math yourself. This is recorded, and again, let me give you the date and the time, so you can say it's fake, phony, whatever you want to say. I really don't care, but the charts do not lie. So therefore, it is March 26, 2020, and it is during the Asian session right now, and that means that it's 8:36 p.m. Central Standard Time, 9:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Therefore, you can go back on your own charts and verify these trades. But here's the deal, and I want to talk to you guys about this. This is very important. A lot of people have lost their jobs, not able to work. The beauty is, in our group, we're still making money. It didn't matter. A matter of fact, what's even more beautiful to me is the testimonies that's pouring in, because a lot of people was haphazardly trading in the group. It wasn't that big of a deal because it was just something they was doing while they were still working full time. Now that they don't have a job, and it's important for them to have an income, a lot of them are now paying attention to the rules. They're trading when I'm at the times I'm telling them to pay attention to the trades, and they're doing a great job. And we're getting numerous reports of people making lots of money from the Forex market, and they're thanking us because, hey, we're here trying to help. My team, we have several trainers who teach class during the week, not just myself. We also have a separate service, which is in step. If you enroll into the program, you do have to purchase the trading system first. But as you're going through the tutorials, please go through the tutorials. Don't just sign up and slap the indicators on the chart. Go through the tutorial program. But as you will find, in step number 5 is the option to join the signal service. if you want to. You don't have to, but if you want to. Inside of there, we also provide, like I said, we send you out signals on trades that we're looking at. And in addition to that, if you ever wanted to become a specialist at becoming a scalper, we have a professional scalper in there named Miss Jenny, who's a phenomenal trader. And you will be actively with her during the trading times that she does it. You'll be with her doing live scalping sessions, meaning that you will be actively looking for trades with her and taking scalps. So not only will you also have the ability to trade off of higher time frames, but now you'll also be able to scalp as well, become a professional. You'll learn how the professionals do it. And what's beautiful about it is because with these changing markets, okay, and some of you guys who have been attempting to trade in the past, as you know, with these changing markets, you may have had one trading style, but all of a sudden, because the markets are just going all over the place, it's not working consistently. Well, that's the beauty of having the ability to know how to shift and change your strategy and still be able to blossom in the Forex market, because you understand how to go and change when the markets change. You're not a one-trick pony, okay? So again, I just want to show another proof video that with Super Easy Forex, it's a phenomenal program that we have. I love the testimonies coming in from our students saying that they're making good income. And so therefore, even though they are not at work and they're at home, the beauty is that they're making money while they're at home. And this could be you as well. Okay. So again, if you want to join us, just simply go to Super, E as in Echo, Z as in Zebra, supereasyforex.com, and you can just sign up right away. And as soon as you sign up, just simply go back and log in with the username and password that you created, and you can get started immediately with the tutorial program so that you'll be ready for next week, okay? Because today it's late Thursday, then we're going into Friday, and then we chill out for the weekend, but you'll have all weekend to study, and you'll be ready to go for next week, and you can start making you a little something possibly, okay? Just follow the rules, though. Be patient. We wait for specific times and specific setups. It's good to go through the tutorials, and don't go through them once, because many of the students, one of the things they did, they rushed through, just rushed. And then I told them, no, go back through the tutorials. And when they did, a lot of them said, you know what? I didn't pay attention to what you said on XYZ. Thank you for reminding me to go back through the tutorials. Yes, go back through the tutorials. Study. Take your time. You're at home anyway, so why not become good at what you do, okay? And once you get it and something clicks, and I really appreciate a guy, he sent me an email. He said, man, I had the system, but I really wasn't paying attention. But he said, last night I was trading and it just clicked. And he said, man, this is just amazing. See, it just clicks. Once it clicks, it's just super. Trading is not that hard of a job. It's very easy to do. Okay. All right, you guys have a great day and hope you're being safe out there. And sorry if the camera was right here. All right, I'll talk to you and I'll provide an update. And let's go to this one while we're here. Hold on. Because it's showing green down here. And that's the Swiss JPY. All right. And let me go to the 1 hour time frame. And look at there. It's about to touch gold. See? It's about to touch it. 146 pips. Isn't that beautiful? Let's check on this one here. And usually when it comes this close, sometimes I just close it out myself, take the money and run. Okay? Because usually sometimes they'll dance around close by there. But I just take my money and run. Matter of fact, I'll do it in front of you guys. Let's close it. All right. Done with that trade. See? You heard my phone telling me, all right, we finished with that trade. Now, I still do have these here running. Let's take a look. Oops, let me get my head out of there. All right, look at there. Oh, 300 pips. See, this is live. Okay. Now, again, I'm not making any financial claims. I'm not saying that everybody going to have the same results. All those, the disclaimer thing, because some people, well, what about me? I didn't. No, but I'm just showing you. Look, see, now I'm up 511 pips on this one. Isn't that crazy? 511 pips. Okay. Shouldn't have closed out the other one because I want to take screenshots and send it to the team. And then we still have this one here, which is dancing around, it's playing around, but there you go, okay? All right, you guys have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you if you join the team, okay? Bye. Well, I'm trying to end the recording. if it'll let me. There we go.